Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting a simple but very useful video for those who repair pocket watches. In this video, I'll show how to properly unwind a pocket watch mainspring. In this watch, the mainspring is fully wound. Therefore, carefully place the tips of the tweezers on the click spring and move it away from the ratchet wheel. At the same time, keep the crown firmly held between your fingers. Slowly release the crown, allowing the mainspring to unwind in a controlled manner until there is no remaining tension.